Love waking up to an Amazon package. I'll open this later. Okay, so in the Amazon package that I had was the new Skin & Co. Purina +1 formula dog food that we're going to try for Scooby. He's already looking at it, smelling it. His tail is wagging, so he's excited to try it. Hubby said to get it to see if it helps with his skin allergies, so that way I don't have to constantly keep making his food. I'm gonna still make his food, and then if I know that this isn't giving his Skin & Co. any allergies, then what I'll do is I will mix the food that I make with the Purina one, so I will show you that all in a video if this doesn't give him any skin allergies. And then I got some school supplies as well, but I'll show you more of that when I do the kids back to school backpacks. So this was her book bag for last year, and she's going to get and she's going to have this book bag this year for middle school. Are you excited for middle school?
No.
Why?
Because everybody said there's drama at middle school most.
There's only drama if you put yourself in drama. Are you gonna put yourself in drama?
I like drama.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Are you the drama?
Yeah.
Yeah. She's the drama. So, hold on, I got the eraser. She has her elephant one from last year, her notebook. She wanted a black one, a purple one, and a blue one. Here's her folders. I got her composition book as well. She has all of her folders here. I'm going to give her one of these, a ruler. She's going to pick her headphone color and then the pencils. Where are you? Here has a stitch pencil case. She's going to stuff all her things in. Okay? She got blue headphones instead to match with a stitch. Books in.
Hi.
Don't sit down. sanitizer. Hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer. Is this Sissy? Yeah, she needs that. Oh no! Your phone matches. Ready for school. Wanna go? Wanna go, Sissy? Okay, come on. Come back. For my French toast, I use whole milk and 3 eggs. So I put the 3 eggs in the bowl first, and then I start by whisking them until they're completely beaten, and then I add in some milk. I'll show you that step next. I add 1 cup of sugar and mix it in with the beaten eggs.
That's a lot of sugar.
I don't know if you heard hubby, but he thinks that's a lot of sugar. It's actually not.
You need more eggs? Pour it.
Once the sugar is completely added in, then you are going to whisk it and beat it until it's completely mixed. Then I'll show you my next step. As I'm mixing the remaining of the sugar, I have hubby pour in the milk for me. I use less than half of a cup. Next, I add in 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. That's because I like vanilla. If you don't like vanilla, you can add 1 tablespoon. 1 teaspoon. And mix that in. Lastly, I add in the cinnamon after I grease up my pan. I don't like the cinnamon sitting in with the milk too long. And then I will add in my bread, let my bread soak for 10 seconds, one side, flip and do another 10 seconds, so 20 seconds altogether. After I add my French toast, my bread to my pan, I then sprinkle some more cinnamon on top. I'll show you how it looks. Little secret, when I flip it, I don't push down on the spread with the spatula. Okay, try without syrup first, and then with the syrup. Too bad.
No.
Is it sweet?
It is.
Do you need syrup? You like syrup?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't need syrup. Try it without it.
I'll try it a little bit with syrup, but I'm still gonna get syrup. Just so you can get my reaction.
Oh, yeah. I don't need syrup. This is really good without syrup. That's with syrup?
Mm-hmm. I put my foot in it.
Is it sweeter?
No.
It's good?
Can't find it. I put my foot in it.
It's good. 10 out of 10. Remember to make good choices, be good people, and no one loves you like you love you and like God loves you. Bye.